Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x minus 3 divides 3 minus x is equals to 3, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. From first method here, we move the term 3 minus x to the right hand side, and we get x minus 3 is equals to 3 times of 3 minus x. And further, in the next step, we need to simplify the right hand side, and we multiply these 3 separately on both of these two values, and we get 3 3s are 9 minus 3 times x becomes here minus 3x. And now further, in the next step, we need more simplifications here, and now we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get x minus 3. This is minus 3x becomes plus 3x. This is plus 9 becomes minus 9, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we get x plus 3x becomes 4x, and minus 3 minus 9 becomes minus 12, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And here for the values of x, we need to divide both of the sides by 4 on each of these terms. And when we divide each of the values by 4, we will get this 4 and this 4 are gone, and we obtain x minus, this is 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12, and we get here x minus 3 is equals to 0. And further, in the next step, we move the term minus 3 to the right hand side, and we get x is equals to plus 3. So this is the only one value of x which we get here in the first method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x minus 3 divides 3 minus x is equals to 3. So here we verify the value of x is equals to 3. So we put this value on numerator as well as denominator sides, and we get this is 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. So this case implies that 3 minus 3 becomes 0 over 3 minus 3 becomes 0 is equals to 0. And you see that after substituting the value of x, we get the left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, or in other words we say that it will becomes indeterminate form. So the left hand side become indeterminate form, or in other words we call that it is undefined form. Okay, if the left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, so the value x is equals to 3 does not satisfied our given question statement, and we call that x is equals to 3 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further, you see here we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x minus 3 divided by 3 minus x is equals to 3. So this is our given question statement. And here you know that our second method is a very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So in this method, we will just take common negative sign from numerator, and when we take common negative sign from here, we get the remaining values are 3 minus x divided by 3 minus x, and this is equals to 3. So here we need to cancel the terms on numerator as well as denominator, and we get this value and this value are cancelled out by each other, and we get minus 1 is equals to 3. So minus 1 is equals to 3. You see that this is not a possible case. It is not possible that minus 1 is equals to plus 3, because in general these two values are not equal, and if these two values are not equal, so we conclude about that in the second method the value of x does not exist, or in other words we say that here we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.